Hello, hello, it's Julie Davison from juliedavison.com. Welcome to Julie's Stamping Spot here on YouTube. We are right in the middle of our Project Playback series. Tune in for a new video every day at 2 o'clock p.m. Central Time until the end of the year. We're resharing some of our favorite projects from over the course of the year. I shared over 145 videos. There's a lot to choose from. These are my very favorite. And even if the products are retired and you don't have the same things at home, I hope that you'll enjoy the ideas and the techniques, and you'll be able to duplicate them using the supplies that you have. We recently surpassed 2 million views here on YouTube. Thank you so much for being part of that. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching and being part of my stamping community. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on future videos. Are you ready for today's Project Playback? Let's see what we're going to make. Today's project is this designer paper pocket card. I love it so much for two reasons. First of all, it's super easy, and also you get to see both sides of the designer paper so nothing gets covered up. Let me show you how to make it. I had cut some paper from the Penguin Playmates, and so who was it? Donna Debert said she wanted a winter thank you. So we're gonna do this one super fast. We're going to keep it really simple. So this is the same measurement that we used before, and we are going to score at 4 inches and 8 inches to create another pocket card really quick. And then, so this is going to fold up like this, and this is the panel that we want to cut. So we're cutting from the inner up, the inside top to the outside bottom. So let's line this up in our paper cutting track. Right, there and there, and cut. So that's going to be the envelope, the pocket. You knew what I meant. And there's my scoring book again. We're going to do a little tear and tape to close the pockets. The outside cardstock piece for stability. Is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I die cut the same pieces. And I think I'm going to use the penguin on the front and the fox on the inside. And then for the thank you, I got this stamp set when it first came out in the annual catalog, and I haven't done anything with it. It is bundled up with this beautiful tree die, and it's called Inspired Thoughts. And I thought this had a really nice thank you in here. So this says, thanks so much. And then, you make a difference every day. Oh, I love that sentiment. Who do you know that makes a difference every day in your life that deserves a card like this? Oh my goodness. My pup is whining because she wants to go out. So I need to go alert somebody to take her out. Okay, sorry about that. Let's grab our stickers and put these on blocks really quick. So we picked out You Make a Difference Every Day. That's going to go on the smaller block. And thanks so much. This is how I mount my stamps. I take the stickers off and I put them on the block, and then take the backing off. Take the backing off the stamp, and then make sure they're facing the right direction, and then apply the stamp while it's on the desktop. That keeps the stamp with even pressure as you apply the sticker. So there's no like what's the word I'm thinking of? Like, if you're holding the stamp like this and trying to line up the sticker, you might have the tendency to just curl
it a little bit like that, and then your sticker won't be on there straight. So by having the even pressure of the desk underneath it, the sticker can adhere to your stamp completely straight and even. And then when you're done, you just peel it right off and put it away. Okay, so we're going to do this in, I just realized I forgot to cut the inside piece to layer that scallop on. So let me just do that really quickly. Okay, so dimensionals onto our penguin. Regular adhesive. Before I put that on though, I should stamp because I want, well, this one's not so easy to turn around, is it? The key to stamping straight is making sure that the rubber stamp is straight on your block. And then if you stamp a straight block, then you should be good to go. It's always good as well to practice on scrap paper before you stamp on your project. You make a difference every day. That's going to go in the middle. And our little fox over here. I love making him hang off just a little bit. It sort of creates like a little scene. This purple color is Fresh Freesia. It's one of the in colors. So this is going inside. And our penguin on the front. Oh gosh, sometimes it's hard to just be simple, isn't it? Let's add just a little bit of ribbon. I love this black glitter ribbon because it's just so much fun and adds like a little sparkle, but still allows you to have it be flat, which is really important as they just bumped up the surcharge for non-machinable cards. I knew the postage was going up, but I didn't realize the non-machinable surcharge was going up, and that's a bigger, a more significant increase. I think the increase is 10 cents for the non-machinable surcharge. It was 20 and now it's 30. So that is a little bit harder harder to take than a 3-cent increase on the regular stamps. So you want to make sure your cards are machinable when possible. So okay, now I'm just I'm trying to move it over, but I used all that tear and tape to put it down. It's fine, Julie, just stick it down. Okay, very good. Let's use some Stampin' Dimensionals and add this to the card front. Really clean card, really simple, really easy. So Donna, if you're making up winter thank you cards, this would be a really easy one with the Penguin Playmates designer paper.
Okay, that's it for today. I'm so glad that you were able to join me for this project Playback. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time with another Project Playback.